Vice President for Information and Analytics globally for Unilever based in London. My role in the hackathon has been as the jury president, so I have come in to lead the jury in reviewing the results, questioning the teams, and ultimately to decide the winner of the hackathon.
So, I mean, it's an incredible achievement what the teams have done from the 14 teams we had in Madrid to the finalists. How important is events like this, or sorry, how important are events like this for the teams and also for the people such as the marketers at companies like Unilever?
I think these events are very important and will become increasingly important as we start to really understand how to embrace the power of the crowd, really. So it has been, I think, a phenomenal opportunity for a very diverse group of team members to come together and to be challenged in a very difficult way about how to take their data science expertise and apply it to a business. Apply it to the business is the very difficult last mile. And on the flip side, it has been an extremely valuable experience for us on the business side to kind of get a bit more into the details about the possibilities, the art of the possible within data science, and to think about how we as a business can start to embrace that more effectively. So it's really been mutually very beneficial. I think you'll see companies like Unilever increasingly involved with events such as this. And increasingly, I think you will see the concept of hackathons becoming incorporated into kind of mainline product development processes as ways to kick off the brainstorming and the ideation for the next generation of systems.
That sounds great. I mean, yourself and the other jurors were very, very impressed with what the teams produced. I mean, what was the thing that impressed you the most?
We had three categories: the business value, the storytelling, and the art and technology of data science. I think there was a lot of, I was very impressed with several of the teams in the creativity of the data science and the use of the mathematics in solving this problem. And I was very much impressed with how inspirational really some of the business ideas were coming out of the data science. And I would also say that I'm very just impressed with the courage of the teams to come in relatively cold for 24 hours to effectively invent a new platform that has almost immediate business relevance and is starting to inspire ideas for what can come next. That takes a lot of guts to do that in front of very senior people who see a lot of good ideas coming across our desks. So it was really a combination that came together, and that's really what makes a wonderful event. So very pleased to have been here. This is my first visit to ICOM, and events like this are very important in building that community. So very much like the hackathon, where you have people from wide varieties of backgrounds coming together as a team to solve a problem. ICOM is really a community of individuals from different companies, different social circumstances, different business circumstances coming together to think about common problems. And I think that's a very important part of each of our jobs, I think, is to participate in that community, not only to give to it, but to take from it as we go back into our day-to-day business lives. So it's a very enjoyable event. It's learning a lot, actually, and have a lot of ideas to take back and new connections to maintain over time, I think, and to help us on that journey.
Yeah.